Hey BAT members, we've got our Porsche Speedster here. It's January 27th, 2021. I haven't started this car for about 3 weeks. We're gonna go ahead and jump inside it, fire it off. He'll be in the bath, he's gonna touch the manifolds to show you that it's cold. And you get to see it cold start after not starting for 3 weeks. We did add a 6-volt relay because 6-volt systems, if they start to go low, it doesn't give enough power to starter. So we added a relay that helps boost the power. The starter was just rebuilt in November of 2020. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. Give it one pump. 2. Remember, I haven't started it. Prepped it or cleaned it. So I've got one drop under there, and it's been here for about 3 weeks. The last time we rode, we just bring it out in the parking lot and run them every